Welcome back, my friends, to another job lead video. Yesterday, I posted a lot of customer service positions, but I know a lot of you are looking for non-phone work, more data entry type. So that is what I have for you today. Cardinal Health is hiring a work from home data entry representative. So let's just dive on in and see what this is about. I will keep this one very quick and short. So for their customer care specialist, it says they're responsible for performing all tasks related to translating the customer information, including but not limited to demographics, product information, and order information into the system. So you will process customer orders, you will identify information off electronic faxes, and enter the information into the system. Now, electronic faxes normally come to an email address as a PDF, so I'm assuming you would be opening that up and then entering the information off that form that someone has faxed into the system. Make decisions on document interpretation, enter accurate information into the system, and then you will need to meet performance and service level goals and be detail oriented for data entry role. So the qualifications for this, a high school diploma is required, but no college degree is required. 2 to 4 years of experience is preferred, but not required. So no experience is technically required. Prior computer experience with your Microsoft Office. Most positions these days have this listed as a qualification. You may want to, if you do not have experience with the Microsoft Office suite that includes Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, Outlook, you may want to see if there's a class that you can find and get yourself familiar with that, because that is going to be a requirement of a lot of work from home jobs. That is the biggest communication system and document system that companies use. You need customer service experience is preferred, but again, not required. Previous fax experience preferred, but not required. If you know how to use fax or electronic fax, great. They prefer someone who has a medical background or knows medical terminology, but again, not required. And it says phone experience preferred, but not required. And I don't know why you would need phone experience because this is a data entry role. I think they probably just want that customer service aspect of there. Now it says, what is to be expected of you at this level? You apply acquired job skills and company policies to the procedures and tasks that you do. You will work on routine assignments that require basic problem resolution. You need to be able to refer to policies and past practices for guidance and receive general direction on standard work and be able to refer to policies, so read and interpret and understand what written policies are. And you need to be able to consult with your supervisor when unusual problems arise. Now it says the anticipated salary range for this job is anywhere from $15 an hour to $18.75. That is probably dependent on where you live and the experience that you bring to the table. As a hiring supervisor for a work from home company, I want to say most companies give a range of salary because they do have negotiating room in there. They know a lot of people are not just going to take it and leave it. People like to negotiate. So they, a lot of times when they call you to offer a job, will offer you lower on the range so that you can negotiate and they can go higher. So always try to negotiate your salary when being offered a position. All right, I wanted to keep this one really quick. I just wanted to share this because I know a lot of people are looking for data entry. If you have any requests for jobs that you want me to keep my eye out, please leave them in the comments below and make sure you are subscribed because I will be posting more job leads. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.